Fire in the hole, let's cook some brats. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard grill. What I'm doing today is I've got some Johnsonville brats. We're gonna gild the lily, if you know what I mean. We're gonna take these brats, cut them open, stuff them with pepper jack cheese, wrap them in bacon, and get them on the barbecue grill and cook them up, and it's gonna be delicious. Let me get started right away. Stay tuned. Okay, I got my Johnsonville brats ready. I'm going to take a sharp knife and cut a slit in the skin, the casing of the brat, like that. Not all the way to the end, but damn near. I'm going to get it open and make a space in there for some cheese. You want to stuff it with cheese. I apologize, my voice is still not 100%. I've got some pepper jack cheese. I'm going to fold that in half. Fold it in half again. We'll stuff that inside the casing of the brat, and then we'll close it back up with the cheese inside, like that. And now you're probably wondering, Root Boy, what's going to hold that cheese inside that brat? Well, let me tell you. We've got some thick cut American pork belly bacon that we're going to wrap around that brat. So you know what I'm saying, we're gilding the lily. We've got a brat which is already good, and we're going to stuff it with cheese and wrap it with bacon, which is just insane. It's going to take 2 pieces of bacon for each brat because I want to enclose the cheese completely. Not so, you don't care so much about wrapping the brat, but I don't want the cheese to leak out as it cooks. I'm going to make sure I turn the brat with the cheese facing up on my grill. I'm struggling a little bit with the bacon here because it's slippery. Slippery bacon, Dan, new channel. Slippery bacon. How about that? Whatever happened to that guy? Slippery chicken. Anyway, there you go. You need me to do another one? Or you get the idea? I think you get the idea. Let me get the rest of these 5 brats cooked up. I'm going to rub them with some of this McCormick Sweet and Smoky Rub, and I've got some Blues Hog barbecue sauce. We're going to sauce them. I'm going to put these on the grill opposite the hot coals on indirect heat. Just let them cook until that bacon constricts and gets cooked, and then we'll hit them with some rub first. Let's see. Hit them up with some of the Sweet and Smoky Rub. That looks good, right? Okay, we'll get that on the grill, and get that cooking. I'll show you what that looks like on the grill, so stay tuned. Okay, the brats are on the fire opposite the hot coals. The hot coals haven't quite come up to temperature yet, but that's okay. We're going to put the top on there and just let that bacon cook and smoke. And when it gets done, I'll bring it back. We're going to sauce these with some Blues Hog barbecue sauce, which I'll show you in a little minute. And then we'll eat them, or I'll eat one of them anyway, and drink a beer. So stay tuned. My brats have been on the fire for about 45 minutes, and I was not 100% successful in containing the cheese or the bacon. I had to put some toothpicks in it, but I'm gonna put some of this Blues Hog original barbecue sauce on there. This stuff is amazing. I just tasted it. Tastes really good. I'm just gonna give that a squirt and brush it on there. This stuff's worth its weight in gold, let me tell you what. It's got a sweet heat, delicious flavor. It's a lot like the Japanese barbecue sauce, if you know what I mean. It's got a savory and sweet at the same time flavor. I'm gonna get some of that on each one of those things. Each one of my brats. What a mess. No, it's no big deal. Had a little, I don't know, this one here came out real good. I think this is going to be the one for the taste test right here. Yeah, we had a little cheese leakage, but it's no big deal. They're looking pretty good, I think. I just checked the temperature, and it says that the brat, I think where I probed the brat was at 175. So I think the brats are cooked. I'm just going to let them go for a little while longer. Oh, that sauce is amazing. I want to probe another one. Let's see what it says here. Yeah, we're at 170, so if the meat of the brat is cooked, that's all I care about. Let me get these on a plate, and I'll get some, get a bun, and we'll give it a try, so stay tuned. Okay, my bacon wrapped cheese stuffed brats are done. There's the Frosty Root Boy mug, star of the show. Here's today's beer, another Pabst Blue Ribbon. I just thought that would be appropriate for this all-American delight. Brats stuffed with cheese and wrapped in bacon. Some Pabst Blue Ribbon, I think, is going to complement these perfectly. Let's pour that out. If you don't know about Pabst Blue Ribbon, I don't know what I can tell you. It's an all-American beer. It's a lager. It's been brewed for as long as Budweiser has, and it tastes 10 times better because it's not made with rice. You hear me, Rob. Okay, let's quaff the froth off that baby. Oh, that's delicious. Let me get a bun over here. I want to put some mustard on my brat because I like mustard on my brats. I'll turn the camera around and we'll do a little taste test, so stay tuned. Okay, let's give this thing a taste, this monstrosity here. Check this thing out. I put some mustard on there because I like mustard on my brats. But look at that puppy. Does that look like something you'd like to eat? I gotta put that in my mouth. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna get that in there somehow. Mmm. Perfectly cooked. Hey, I got nothing. Mmm. That's delicious. Let me tell you what. Even though the cheese leaked out, and even though the bacon unraveled a little bit, it's still wonderful. So anyway, that's my video, babies. Give these cheese stuffed bacon wrapped brats a try, if you will. Before I forget, I got this recipe from Heath Riles. I think you know who he is. Probably one of the most famous barbecue guys going. He did this, inspired me to do it. Anyway, that's my video. I'm gonna go devour the rest of this cheese wrapped or cheese stuffed bacon wrapped brat. And that's it, babies. I'll see you next week, okay? Oh, we need to send you somewhere, don't we? Let's see. We sent you to my buddy Sal. We sent you to my buddy George. We sent you to, I don't know, where else? Oh, I know. You know, since we're eating sausage, I've been completely addicted to this new video, channel I found called Ordinary Sausage. And I think he's got 1 million subscribers already, but let's send a few more his way. Go in the iCard and check out Ordinary Sausage. The guy is like off the wall, completely off the wall. He makes sausage out of anything. He made a geoduck sausage. He makes sausage with leftover fast food, you know, all kinds of crap. Anyway, yeah, go in the iCard and check out Ordinary Sausage. Watch me devour this brat, cheese stuffed bacon wrapped brat. I can't wait to get another bite. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye.